Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide all Facebook photos. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy. It's just one tap of a button to hide all of your timeline photos and posts and everything. So let's jump right in. First, you can tap on the bottom right corner here, and then you'll want to scroll all the way down. You'll want to tap on settings and privacy here, and then tap on settings. Then we'll want to scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you can see profile and tagging. There, we'll just tap on that, and then under tagging, you can see who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile. You can just tap on that, and it will give you an option that says everyone, friends of friends, friends, friends except, and then I'll just tap on see all. I can just tap on the only me icon there, and that means any posts on my timeline, including photos and everything, all those photos that I have been tagged in or have posted myself, only I will be able to see those. So now they're hidden from everyone else. You can say, okay, I want only specific friends, and then choose friends that you want to be able to see those. Or you can see all of my friends except certain people. So this gives you a really good option to be able to limit who can see any of these photos that are posted of you on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.